Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable video aspect ratio changes on YouTube, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for YouTube and press enter. Once YouTube loads, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Playback and Performance option. Click on Playback and Performance to open its settings. You will see various options related to video playback. Find the section labeled Video Playback or similar. Look for a checkbox that states Use the default aspect ratio. If this option is checked, uncheck it to disable changes to the aspect ratio. After adjusting the setting, scroll down and click Save if prompted. Now, go back to your YouTube homepage. Play a video to check if the aspect ratio remains consistent. If everything is set correctly, the video should display without aspect ratio changes. For mobile devices, open the YouTube app. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the app. Select Settings from the menu that appears. Then, find Playback settings within the app. Look for similar option regarding aspect ratio and adjust as needed. With these adjustments, your video playback should now maintain a stable aspect ratio. Enjoy a seamless viewing experience without unexpected aspect ratio changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.